While rising sea levels are a threat to many people around the world, perhaps one of the most significant and urgent cases is the Maldives, a small country in the Indian Ocean with nearly 450,000 inhabitants across 26 atolls. Scientists have alerted the global community that the Maldives are under threat from rising sea levels. According to the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the most extreme scenario of sea level rise would be 59 centimeters by 2100. With the majority of the Maldives sitting just 1 meter above sea level, the results would be catastrophic, leaving most of the country completely submerged by the Indian Ocean. Famous for its pristine beaches, transparent bright blue and turquoise waters, and exotic marine life, tourism accounts for more than 40% of the GDP of the Maldives. With rising and warming sea levels taking hold, observable impacts such as severe coastal erosion, storm surges, heavy rains, and thermal expansion will directly affect the local populations, who will face significant economic downturn, coupled with the imminent destruction of their lands. Given the urgency of the threat, the government and people of the Maldives are attempting to reduce their carbon footprint and have aims to become the first country to become carbon neutral, using solar and wind power as renewable energy sources. They are also evaluating the possibility that they will become climate change refugees in the future and are attempting to save money to buy a new homeland.